Hi, welcome to Goldylost Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Goldylost human hair mini toppers, and I'm going to show you how easy they are to put on. So, I have one of our mini toppers here. These toppers are a fully hand silk top. So, it looks like skin. You can see this here, anywhere you part it on top, is going to look like skin. So it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. These toppers are a little bit smaller. They're the smallest of the Goldylost human hair topper family. And it's a fully hand-tied silk area, so the hair moves freely like hair on your head would. It's designed to blend with your own hair. So you should take your own hair out to start. This one is going to just add a little bit extra hair. So it should be a very good color match and a similar length to your own hair. Unlike some of our larger bases where you can cover up most of your own hair. So these are designed to add a little bit of volume, maybe hide some thinning you've got on top, and just add a little bit more beautiful hair. So this color is Portia. This one is parted with a slightly less part, so I'm going to line it up with my own left part. But as I said, you can part them anywhere on the top. You just want to wet the hair and comb it over. They have 4 pressure sensitive clips, 1 in the front, 2 on each side, and 1 at the back. So I'm first going to line up the front where I want it to sit, so just behind my own hairline. It is designed to blend with your own hair, so you are going to blend a little bit of your own hair at the front. If you find that you have a very thin hairline, this might not be the best option for you. You might be better with one of our lace toppers. So pushing it down flat, make sure it's in the place I want, then I'm going to go around and just scrape a little bit of hair into the clips and clip it on. It shouldn't be pulling at all. It should feel really lightweight and comfortable. If you do find it pulls your hair a little bit, you've put it on incorrectly, and just redo that clip. So then I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to pull a little bit of my own hair out at the front to give me a natural looking hairline. And that just brushes up and over to give you a natural looking throat. This one's a little bit blonde for me, but I just want you to be able to see how much extra coverage it will give you. So that's how easy they are to put on. You see it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and it's just going to give me a little bit extra coverage. It's going to cover up that thinning area you have on the top, but you're still going to see quite a lot of your own hair through here. Really easy to tie into ponytails, tuck behind the ears, a really great lightweight option. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to go to Goldylost.com. We have lots of different types of toppers for everybody. This is our silk mini topper, perfect for people who may have a decent amount of hair but some thinning on top and just want to add a little bit of volume, a little bit of coverage, maybe a little bit of length as well. Don't forget we have other videos, really helpful videos on human hair wigs and human hair toppers, so go and subscribe to our channel. And also if you did find this video helpful, go below and like. Thanks again from Clementine at Goldylost. Bye!